In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the transmission line on your Chevy Malibu. This is going to be located in the front of the engine compartment. Let's get started. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to loosen the negative terminal, remove the terminal. Should have a battery tie down right here. It should be two 10mm nuts. Go ahead and remove those and remove the tie down. Ours is missing. On this cover right here, you have a tab on either side. Then we can pull that cover off. Straight down in is going to be your tie down. Using a 10mm socket, loosen the tie down. Pull straight up and remove that terminal. Then we're going to remove our battery. Using a trim removal tool, we're going to pop the two clips for the harness off of our battery tray. Using a 13mm socket, we're going to remove the 3 bolts for the battery tray. Remove the 2 nuts. We have one more clip for our harness. Go ahead and pop that out of the tray. And then on the back side, we have 2 more of those harness clips. One right there, and one in the back right here. Pop those out. On the back side of our ECU, right here, there's a push tab. We're going to push that tab, and then we're going to pull this assembly straight up. And release the ECU from that bracket. We're just going to kind of put it up here. Pull all of your harnesses out of the way. And remove your battery tray. Using a 13mm socket, we're going to reach behind and remove the nut on the transmission line. Remove the nut. I'm going to pull that guard back on the line. I'm going to remove the line. We're going to use a trim tool. We're going to pop this plastic cover off of the transmission line. We're just going to push it down. Inside of there we have a clip, and on either side we're going to have to push on the tabs, one right here and one right there. This is going to push our clip up and off. I'm going to put a finger on the back side of my clip so it doesn't just fly off on me. Put a finger on the back side of the clip so it doesn't spring off of the fitting, just like that. Remove the line out of the cooler. Now that we're down below, we're going to pop our line out of our white clip. Now we're going to remove the line from the vehicle. Remove the hose from the vehicle. Install the transmission line. We're going to install it under the transmission, up and over the axle. Slowly twisting it up into place. On the back side of our transmission, we're going to remove that old crush washer. We have a new one installed onto our line. We're going to install our line with a new crush washer into the transmission. Get the line fully seated. We're going to get our nut started. We're going to install the line up into place. As I'm guiding it up into place, I'm turning that top angle parallel to the radiator. Before getting our line fully installed, we're going to reinstall that clip. Install the clip. Reach down and grab that line. It's quite a bit of a shove with your hand, but you can get onto it. Once you get the line, pull it up into place. And install it into the radiator. Push until the line fully seats. Pull that plastic piece up. Install it over to the clip. Install the line into the clip. We're going to zip tie the two lines together. Pull the zip tie around the other line. Get it snug down around it. Now we'll grab a pair of cutters. Snip off the extras. Snug down the nut for the line. Remove the fill cap for the transmission. We're going to install a funnel, and now we're going to top off the transmission fluid as needed. Make sure you use the manufacturer specified lubricant. Top off the fluid. Going to grab a rag so I don't make a spill. Remove your funnel and install the cap. Snug it down. Install the battery tray into the vehicle. Make sure it drops down onto the two studs. Install the nuts onto the studs. Install the bolts. Snug down the nuts and bolts. We're going to install the ECU onto its bracket. Line it up. Push it down, click it into place, be sure it's locked in. We have the two cable harness ties in front. Drop those into place. Install the cable stay on the front of the battery box. We have two more on the side. Install the battery into place. If you have your battery tie down, go ahead and install that now. Going to install the positive battery post onto the battery and then snug down the bolt. Install the cover, install the negative cable, snug it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.